Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, everyone. Welcome back, grade 7 students. This is your English class with Teacher Ross. How are you today? Great! In this video, we will continue our discussion about rules on subject-verb agreement. Again, the verb should always agree to its subject. Always remember the basic rules. A singular subject takes a singular verb. A plural subject takes a plural verb. You can also use the 4 easy steps in analyzing the grammar of your sentence. Step 1. Identify what is the subject in the sentence. Step 2. Determine whether the subject is singular or plural. Step 3. Decide which verb is appropriate based on its subject. Step 4. Check the agreement of the subject and the verb. Now, let us continue. Let us have rule number 2. Who, that, and which are considered singular or plural according to the noun directly in front of them. For example, one who spends too much time choosing ends up cracked wares. The word one is our subject. Obviously, it is a singular subject. And spends is our verb. And it is in S form. So it is a singular verb. Singular subject plus singular verb. Do they agree? Yes. Another example. Those who act tough are coward. Those is our subject and it is a plural subject, and act is our verb. The verb is in the base form. So, it is a plural verb. Plural subject plus plural verb. Do they agree? Yes, correct. Now, let us have rule number 3. Prepositional phrases between subject and verb do not affect agreement. Note that prepositional phrases are a group of words that start with a preposition. Prepositions like in, on, under, between, and etc. Example, faith in God brings us success in life. Faith is our subject and it is a singular subject. In God here is a prepositional phrase and it does not affect the agreement. And brings is our verb. So it is in S form, so it is a singular verb. Now, do the subject and verb agree? Singular subject and singular verb? Yes, very good. Next, let us have rule number 4. The expression a number requires a plural verb. For example, a number of students present a play. Basically, our subject here is a number of students. But because we use the expression a number and it says that if we are going to use the expression a number, it will require a plural verb. So technically, this is a plural subject. And then we have here the word present as our verb. the verb is in the base form. So, it is a plural verb. Now, do the subject and verb agree? Very good. We have here plural subject and plural verb. And we have the expression a number. Next rule. Rule number 5. The expression the number requires a singular verb. For example, the number of students presents a play. Basically, our subject here is the number of students. But we use the expression the number, so it could be considered as a singular subject. And presents is our verb. It is in the S form. So, it is a singular verb. Do the subject and verb agree? Yes! Very good. So, we have here singular subject and singular verb. Next rule. Rule number 6. Intervening phrases do not affect the number of the verb. Note that intervening phrases usually come between a subject and a verb. For examples, as well as, together with, prepositional phrases, and etc. For example, the teacher as well as the students participates in the camp. Our subject here is teacher. There is an intervening phrase, as well as the students, but according to the rule, it does not affect the agreement. So, the teacher or teacher is still our subject. And there is only one teacher, so it is a singular subject. Then, we have our verb, participates. It is in S form. So, it is a singular verb. Singular subject, singular verb. Do they agree? Yes, very good. Next, let's have rule number 7. Compound subjects joined by "and" usually require plural verb. For example, ritual and magic are common elements in myth. Basically, our subjects here are ritual and magic, and it is a compound subject. So it can be considered as a plural subject. And as we all know, are is a plural verb. Now, do the subject and verb agree? Yes, very good. Next, let's have rule number 8. If one of the words each, every, or no comes before the subject, the verb is singular. Let's have an example. Each myth and legend have unique features. Each myth and legend is our subject. So we have here myth, we also have legend. But since we use the word each before the noun, myth, and legend, so it can be considered as a singular subject. Then we have here the word have, which is a plural verb. Now, singular subject plus plural verb, do they agree? No. So, the verb have should be changed to has. So we have now each myth and legend has unique features. Singular subject and singular verb. Do they agree? Yes, very good. Now, let us have the last rule for this video. We have rule number 9. For the expressions neither nor and either or, the verb agrees to its nearer subject. For example, neither a myth nor legends explains the full nature of creations. Now, we have here two subjects. We have myth and legends. But since we use the expression neither nor, so we need to consider the subject nearer to the verb. And our verb here is the word explains. And we have legends as our nearer subject. And legends is a plural subject. Explains is our verb. It is in S form. So, this is a singular verb. Plural subject plus singular verb. Do they agree? Of course not. So the verb explains should be changed to explain. Neither a myth nor legends explain the full nature of creations. We have a plural subject and a plural verb. Do the subject and verb agree? Yes, very good. Thank you so much. You did a very good job. Always keep in mind the rules on subject-verb agreement for you to become a better writer and speaker. And remember, practice makes perfect. Till next time, have a nice day!